see your car, fool.
It's right there.
It's on the truck right now. Look at that. Oh my god. There it is, baby.
Clock's still there. Hey, I think they got the wrong card.
I'd be pissed, bro. I've never seen this here.
I've never seen how they work that. Look.
It's tight. Stoked or what?
That's just sick, dude. Look at that. Oh.
What is it?
You guys don't see this on the road at all, do you?
Oh my god, what did we get ourselves into? Or what you get yourself into? It looks like a minivan, dude.
Yeah. Clean the body trim, clean the
Oh, I've never seen this before, dude. Oh my god, what did you do, bro? Finally got the car in the trailer. Got to tow it home. And then go see what the damages are. It's pretty bad.
It looks bad.
Oh yes, we're back home. I don't know if you guys can see me, but got the car to Foo's house in one piece. What's the problem right now?
Everything.
Oh my god, dude. Battery's dead, so we're just waiting for it to charge a little bit. I think I should be able to start now.
Yeah. In like 10 minutes, no?
Yeah. Try it out, dude. Oh my goodness. We got a lot of work cut for us. This fender's fucked. This part of the car. I think he ran into like a... I think he ran into a truck. Oh, now we're just not driving down.
Shit, you want that drive?
I can drive down.
Yeah, right?
We need this whole radiator support right here. We're gonna take off the bumpers. This is not savable, so we'll probably take that apart. Special delivery, baby. Oh, we just got a new hood, radiator, and new fender, baby. Right now we're gonna do some crazy shit. Can't get the alternator out because this bar is bent in there, so I'm gonna tie a string to this, put it on my truck, and see if we can pull it out. Think that's a good idea?
Hope so. Hey, how?
I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, look at this. You ready?
Hey! Yeah. Go, keep going. A little bit more. Little bit more. Good, good, good. Dude, it worked, dude. It worked. Look at that.
I don't know if all these brackets are gonna hold your headlight, though.
It will. There's a high chance it will. The thing is, let's test it out. That one go in there, and then we have the AC line right here.
Yep.
Go all the way right there.
Yo.
We're done.
Dude, we just put the radiator on just for fun. And each bolt lines up perfectly. Yo, what the hell? Well, we just threw on the lights, the hood, and the fenders. You guys ready to see how it looks? What the fuck, dude? No way. I mean, these aren't bolted in, so that's why there's a gap right here. But the only bad thing about this hood is this and this. What happened here?
I don't know. It looks like a tree fall off.
Yeah. But oh my dude, look at this. You stoked?
Yeah, it's almost ready.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
We didn't expect it to fit. I'm glad everything lined up. Tomorrow we're gonna be working on the radiator. Tightening up a little of the wiring. And that's it. But yeah, fool, any last words?
That's it. Stay tuned for part 2, part 3.
Part 3, baby.
What happened?
Well, test fitting the hood and I forgot to put the cable on. So now it's
And now it's stuck?
Nah, I can just take it off. Hey, but the hood lines up.
Yeah, dude. This one's neat.
This
Lines
one
up.
we have to push in a little bit.
Yeah, we haven't
But
tied
it's, like,
all the bolts
secure.
in yet, but once we will, we'll probably line up properly.
But yeah, I fucked up my best. Ooh, yeah, baby. It works. I see the fitment. Ooh, baby. Perfect.
First try.
Take it for a test drive?
Yeah.
Wait, the top piece to my keys.
You're excited?
Yeah, dude.
Brakes are good. Ooh.
Dude, all it is tire pressure.
The DRL?
Oh, this is broken.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. She's torquey, dude.
She sounds smooth.
That's pretty good. Dude, all it needs is tire pressure and airbag.
Airbag? Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
no
it.
transmission light either.
See that?
Oh, that was fast, dude.
Go, dude. Just go get some tire pressure on, dude.
Got the car up. Tommy's taking off the front sway bar.
Yeah.
So we can access these 3 top hat bolts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're flowing right now. Should be really easy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. One of the fork bolts, and then we're gonna take off this bolt that holds the strut, and then the 3 bolts on top. And then the ABS sensor. Yeah. Damn, what the hell, fool? Getting hooked up over here.
Yeah.
What's this called in English?
Noodle soup.
No.
Noodle soup?
Yeah.
Thank you, fool.
There you go. Oh, what the hell? First one out.
Got the second one in. Make sure when you're putting in the oil to not tie it one side and do both of them at the same time. Damn, looks good though. What you think?
It's not bad.
Everything's done. Time to go drop it down, see how it looks. But as you can tell, there's already no gap. This shit's gonna say there's always gap.
Bro, is that bad?
Yo,
I think that's a good fry height. Yeah.
I think so too. Yo, check it out.
Damn.
Damn, what the fuck, fool?
Wagon life.
Wow.
Shit, what's up?
What's up, man?
What's your beamer?
It's at home. You good? You angling? You good?
Good, you're good, you're good.
Dude, but how the hell we gonna make it back up?
That's your problem.
Hold on.
Slowly. Slowly.
Dude, sick.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, these are fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Holy
They're
shit.
9.5. The other one is 10.5.
The stretch is wild. There's new wheels. Do these look familiar to you? They're not Max's. Damn. Oh my god, boy. Oh my god, boy. It's gonna be quick, chill video today. I thought I'd just pick up the camera and take the car out, just enjoy it for the first time when it's all fully built. So let's get it going.